Ethereum explicitly is a highest-level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that really has a current worth of $1,936.96 and a market capitalization of $232,924,460 125 in an unobtrusive manner. Digital currencies sort of have long passed a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. These days, it's a resource class that truly is significantly managed and, surprisingly, took on as lawful delicate and in every practical sense, large way. Some huge venture banks even procure Ethereum and sort of other cryptographic forms of money as a group to especially safeguard their resources under administration, against the jogging expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, which certainly is very critical. Presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and extremely long-haul forecast of the advancements on the ETH market that generally depend on the readings of our really special crypto unpredictability file that for the most part assists us with checking the market feeling and sort of expect where in which the market plans to go, which fundamentally is very huge. At this point, the cost of Ethereum truly is $1,936.96. While the coin right now for the most part winds up at second spot in the truly by and large in every way that really matters, positioning in a very significant way. The said really positioning generally is assessed based on the resource's current value, that generally is duplicated by its certainly current market capitalization, an equation that sort of is applied all through all monetary business sectors in an in every practical sense, significant way. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions so our clients get the most significant information in regards to the exhibition of computerized assets in their portfolios in an unobtrusive way. It's likewise critical to basically consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing, which truly is genuinely huge. On November 17, the cost of Ethereum was at $1,960.12 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change sort of added up to 1.51% in an especially large manner. 7 days prior, on November 11, ETH truly was esteemed at $2,078.29, which sort of really intends that from that point forward, the cost especially has basically vacillated by 0% in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on October 18, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,564.11. Subsequently, the coin in every practical sense has taken a 23.84% action to explicitly arrive at its genuinely present standings, which for the most part is very huge. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Ethereum isn't the main truly factor that we especially consider while making the cost forecast, which truly is genuinely critical. It's likewise essential to for the most part keep in every way that really matters, sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to by and large, have an all things considered, clear perspective on where the market in every practical sense is going, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The examination of market capitalization really conveys fundamentally equivalent significance in both digital currency and customary business sectors, or so they certainly thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology sort of is utilized to generally decide the sort of by and large position and fame of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which for the most part is very huge. Changes in market capitalization certainly sure are really negative explicitly, are additionally characteristic of the manner by which the said market could for the most part be going, as well as the resources essentially potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both short and long haul points of view, which generally is genuinely critical. This kind of specific pretty measurement really is likewise used to check the predominance of Ethereum, comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition in an unpretentious manner. To explicitly decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ETH, we especially increase the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will really be generally made sense of later by the exceptionally present worth of the digital currency under survey. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum most certainly remains at $232,924,460 125, which shapes the reason for truly present positioning especially was referenced before, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on November 17, ETH had a market capitalization of $235,713,523,796 in a sort of significant manner. Keep going week, on November 11, The market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $249,942,527,252 in an every way that really matters, large way. A month prior, on October 18, the market worth of Ethereum was evaluated to be $188,103,494,348, an opposition to prevalent thinking. Complete Stock considers the quantity of coins that basically have proactively been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which by and large is very critical. These digital currencies can for the most part be utilized either for truly dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in a genuinely enormous manner. This especially metric additionally calculates the coins that by and large have been transitioned away from through the cycle called consuming, which truly is applied to control the expansion rate, or so they in a real sense thought. At this point, the extremely all-out supply of Ethereum truly is laid out at 122,252,717 ETH in an especially huge manner. Ultimately, the coursing supply truly is utilized to sort of compute the market capitalization and evaluate the coins essentially current remaining in the positions in an unobtrusive way. It indicates the extremely generally speaking measure of ETH that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that for the most part are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly essentially put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which generally is genuinely huge. It's by and large commonly accepted that digital currencies that have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million by and large are the most appropriate for extremely long-haul venture, since they by and large are generally especially prone to see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. At this point, Ethereum certainly has a circling supply of 122,252,717 coins in a fundamentally enormous manner. Over the especially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $11,029,794,177, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on November 17, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame truly remained at $14,659,626, 350 amazingly. 7 days prior, on November 11, how much ETH that in every practical sense was traded between market members really was assessed at $14,746,457, which is genuinely critical. Presently really comes an opportunity to generally make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to predict the way that Ethereum will for the most part follow over the extremely next 1 to 5 years, which by and large is genuinely critical. CVIX is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a by and large novel recipe for measuring and envisioning the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the imaginative kind of profound learning calculation that filters through a